Hi, Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing here with a preview of what you'll find in the January issue of our magazine. Our January focus is on innovations and new technology. Our cover story talks about the use of advanced decorative film technology in the automotive industry, a solution that is said to be more durable, less costly, and greener than paint processes. You'll also learn about the value of robotic paint performance testing as a growing number of manufacturers across various industries seek ways to ensure that high-performance paints and coatings will perform to exacting standards. An overview of trends in industrial coatings touches on evolving technologies such as self-cleaning coatings and the use of nanotechnology, and more. In addition, you'll find our quarterly parts cleaning section offering insights into the latest cleaning technologies and trends. As we transition into the new year, Products Finishing is ramping up for its annual Top Shops benchmarking survey, which will open February 1st. Our January issue has a helpful FAQ installment of our Top Shops Insider column that digs into some of the things you need to know to get the most out of taking the survey and interpreting the data you receive. Don't miss out on this month's On the Line interview with Brian Leiker, Executive Director for the Metal Finishing Association of California, as he offers an update on the ongoing policy discussions surrounding the use of hexavalent chromium for metal finishing operations in the state, an issue that will have repercussions throughout the industry. The article includes instructions on how you can make your voice heard on this very important topic. As always, Products Finishing features helpful Ask the Expert articles on a range of finishing industry topics and insightful columns with surface finishing experts, as well as the latest industry news, trends, and innovations. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.